Hey everyone, welcome back to Circuit Point. I'm your host, and today we're diving deep into something that's finally living up to the hype: AI smart glasses. Remember when smart glasses were basically expensive paperweights that made you look like a cyborg? Well, 2025 has changed everything. We've reached that sweet spot where AI glasses actually work, look decent, and won't drain your bank account overnight. I've spent weeks testing, researching, and frankly obsessing over every AI smart glasses option available right now. And let me tell you, the market is wild. From budget-friendly options with ChatGPT integration to full-blown AR systems that feel like science fiction, there's something for everyone. If you're new to Circuit Point, we break down the latest tech so you don't have to. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell because AI wearables are moving fast, and you'll want to stay ahead of the curve. The current state of AI glasses. Before we jump into our top picks, let's talk about what changed. 3 years ago, AI glasses were either clunky prototypes or overpriced fashion statements that barely functioned outside controlled demos. The processing power wasn't there, the batteries died in hours, and honestly, most people weren't ready for computers strapped to their faces. But 2025 hit different. We've got mature AI models that can run efficiently, battery technology that actually lasts, and most importantly, designs that don't scream, "I'm wearing a computer." Companies finally figured out that people want their tech to enhance their lives, not dominate their appearance. Real-time translation that actually works? Check. Voice assistants that understand context? Absolutely. Cameras that capture decent quality without looking like spy gear? We're there. The question isn't whether AI glasses work anymore. It's which ones work best for your specific needs, and that's exactly what we're covering today. 6 different AI glasses, each excelling in different areas, all available right now. Number 6. Solos AirGo 3, Budget Champion. Starting our countdown at number 6, we have the Solos AirGo 3, and these are proof that you don't need to spend a fortune to get legitimate AI features. At just 39 grams, these glasses feel almost weightless. The design is clean, professional, and comes with interchangeable frame arms through their smart hinge system. You're not sacrificing style for functionality here. The real star is the AI integration. You get ChatGPT built right in, responding to voice commands without needing to pull out your phone. The real-time translation covers over 25 languages, and in my testing, it's surprisingly accurate for casual conversations. Audio quality impressed me too. The open-ear speakers deliver clear sound without blocking ambient noise, crucial for safety and awareness. Touch controls on the temples are responsive, and the companion app actually feels finished, not like some rushed beta release. Durability-wise, you're getting IP67 water resistance. Rain, sweat, workout sessions, these glasses can handle real-world conditions. Battery life hits about 10 hours for music streaming or 7 hours of active use, with a 15-minute quick charge giving you another 3 hours. For anyone dipping their toes into AI glasses without committing to premium pricing, the AirGo 3 delivers legitimate value. If you're curious about AI glasses but not ready to go all in, these are your entry point. Don't forget to subscribe to Circuit Point for more budget tech recommendations that actually work. Number 5. Ray-Ban Meta. Mainstream excellence. At number 5, we have the Ray-Ban Meta glasses, and these are probably the safest bet for most people watching this video. Ray-Ban nailed something crucial here. These look like actual Ray-Bans. No weird bulk, no obvious tech indicators, just classic eyewear design with smart features seamlessly integrated. The 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera sits flush in the frame, capturing 1080p video and solid photos from your perspective. What's cool is the live streaming capability. You can broadcast directly to Instagram or Facebook with a simple voice command. Content creators, this one's for you. Meta AI integration is genuinely helpful. Voice-controlled lookups, real-time translation, quick facts, it responds naturally and feels more like a smart assistant than a gimmicky feature. The 5-microphone array ensures clear voice pickup even in noisy environments. Audio comes through open-ear speakers built into the arms, and they sound way better than expected for something this discreet. Call quality is excellent, and music playback is surprisingly decent. Battery life gives you about 4 hours of active use, but the charging case provides 4 full recharges. That's easily a full day's worth of functionality. If you want AI glasses that blend into your existing style while adding genuine utility, Ray-Ban Meta hits that sweet spot. They're expensive, but justify the cost with build quality and seamless integration. Number 4. Oakley Meta HSTN Athletic Performance. Number 4 brings us the Oakley Meta HSTN, designed specifically for people who break a sweat. While Ray-Ban Meta targets everyday elegance, the Oakley HSTN embraces bold, athletic design. The wraparound style stays secure during runs, bike rides, or any activity where regular glasses would slip. Same Meta AI smarts under the hood, but the 12-megapixel camera captures 3K video, higher resolution than its Ray-Ban sibling. Photo quality hits 3024 by 4032 resolution, though only in portrait orientation. The LED recording indicator is subtle but noticeable, which is actually good for public settings. People know when you're recording without making it awkward. IPX4 water resistance handles sweat and light rain without issues. The 5-mic array does an excellent job isolating your voice even with wind or background noise, crucial for outdoor activities. Battery performance is solid at 8 hours per charge, and 32 GB of onboard storage means you can record extensively without constantly offloading content. Bluetooth 5.3 and Wi-Fi 6E ensure fast, stable connections. These aren't subtle fashion accessories. They're unapologetically sporty, smart glasses that perform when you're pushing limits. If you want AI features that keep up with an active lifestyle, the HSTN delivers. Number 3. Even Reality G1 Discrete Innovation. At number 3, we have the Even Reality G1, taking a completely different approach to AI glasses. These look like simple frameless eyeglasses. No obvious cameras, no bulky components, just clean, minimal design. But hidden inside is a micro LED display with 600 rt by 200 resolution and an incredible 10,000 nits of brightness. The 25-degree field of view provides a subtle information overlay. Think navigation arrows, translation text, or quick notifications. Not immersive entertainment, but practical augmented reality. Even AI handles voice commands, note-taking, and translations without fuss. Touch controls on the temples feel intuitive, and the experience stays deliberately understated. For audio, you get open-ear speakers and zero noise-canceling microphones, designed to keep you connected to your environment while providing clear communication. Battery life extends to 1.5 days per charge, with the case holding 2.5 additional charges. That's nearly a week of typical use without finding an outlet. Water resistance and autofocus support for presbyopia add practical value for daily wear. If you want AI enhancement without advertising your tech use, the G1 represents the stealth approach. They augment your vision without dominating your appearance. Make sure you're subscribed to Circuit Point for more coverage of subtle tech innovations like this. Number 2. Tolby's ChatGPT Translator Travel Essential. Coming in at number 2, we have Tolby's ChatGPT Translator glasses, and if you travel internationally, these might be game changers. Real-time, two-way translation in over 165 languages powered by ChatGPT. Multiple modes handle different scenarios, simultaneous interpretation for events, face-to-face conversation mode, and recording mode for meetings or lectures. The video call integration impressed me most. You can have translated Zoom calls through your glasses. Imagine the possibilities for international business or connecting with family abroad. Beyond translation, you get a full AI assistant. Ask questions, control playback, get live responses without touching your phone. It's like having a personal interpreter and travel concierge combined. Design stays lightweight and curved with intuitive touch controls on the arms. Auto power on when you wear them, outdoor mode for noisy environments, and volume adjustment that actually works smoothly. 8 hours of battery life with a 70-minute charge time keeps you connected all day. Bluetooth 5.3 ensures stable connections across iOS and Android devices. For frequent travelers or anyone working across language barriers, these glasses provide genuine competitive advantage. The translation quality rivals professional services, but it's always with you. Number 1. Rokid AR Joy Pack. Ultimate experience, and our number 1 pick, the Rokid AR Joy Pack. This isn't just smart glasses, it's a complete wearable computer system. The setup includes Rokid Max glasses paired with the Rokid Station, a pocket-sized Android device that transforms your eyewear into a next-generation media and productivity hub. Visual quality is stunning. Dual micro OLED displays deliver 1920 x 1080 resolution per eye with a buttery smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. The virtual screen feels like a 215-inch display viewed from 6 meters away. Movies, games, spreadsheets, everything looks incredibly crisp and immersive. The glasses themselves weigh only 75 grams and support myopia correction from 0.00 to 600 diopters, so no prescription lens stacking required. TÜV Rheinland certification ensures comfortable extended use without eye strain. The Rokid Station runs Android TV 12, giving you access to Google Play apps, cloud gaming, and major streaming platforms like Netflix, Hulu, and Disney+. The 64-bit quad-core processor with 2GB RAM and 32GB storage handles everything smoothly. Battery life hits about 5 hours of active use from the 5,000 mAh power bank. The station supports wireless screen mirroring, USB-C, HDMI adapters, and connects to Android, iOS, Windows, and gaming consoles. Whether you're traveling, working remotely, or just want to replace your tablet with something more futuristic, this system delivers a no-compromises experience. For the most advanced AI and AR glasses available right now, the Rokid setup represents the current peak of consumer technology. And that wraps up our comprehensive guide to the best AI smart glasses you can buy in 2025. From budget-friendly options like the Solos AirGo 3 to the premium Rokid AR system, there's finally something for every use case and budget. The key takeaway? AI glasses have finally matured. They're no longer experimental gadgets for early adopters. They're practical tools that can genuinely enhance your daily life. Whether you need real-time translation for travel, hands-free content creation, discrete information access, or a complete portable computing experience, 2025 has delivered options that actually work. I'll drop links to current pricing and availability in the description below. Prices change frequently in this space, so check those links for the most up-to-date information. If this deep dive helped you understand the AI glasses landscape, smash that subscribe button for Circuit Point. We're covering the cutting edge of wearable technology as it develops, and trust me, things are moving fast. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming coverage of AR contact lenses, brain-computer interfaces, and other wild tech that's closer than you think. What AI glasses feature are you most excited about? Drop a comment below and let me know what you'd want from your perfect smart glasses. Thanks for watching Circuit Point, where we break down tomorrow's technology today. I'll see you in the next one, and remember, the future is wearable and it's happening right now.